Of the Ruedinger project. On this plan here, north is up. We will start at the road here. We've got a few monds to look for along the road right away here. Looks like they have some existing features. We'll need to check to see if those are still there. Here on the east side, the plan shows a wetland. Let's check to see if within the topo area, if they've marked that wetland or it's still marked. I'm assuming it was marked at one time. It may not be marked anymore. These points that say look plan point, these are, or sorry, look PP are actually plan points. So there's likely not anything there, but that is the corner of our current easement as it is situated. To the east here, we've got some monds. For our legal description, these are used as a basis of bearing and a point of commencement for our legal description. So we start here, we come along the road to a certain point, I think it's right here, and then we likely go in a clockwise direction. And that's what these monuments are for here. So just like the other site, we've got the digester tank, the utility meter station, and the pond. And then of course the cluster of buildings are here in the middle, surrounded by what I'm assuming is ditches and road. Yep, so ditches and road. We've got one tank here versus the two at the other site. You're going to want to look at these plans. They show possible underground utilities, but if we can't see them and they're not marked, we can't locate them. The exception to that, of course, is the pipeline where they need an easement. So on their plan here, we have what says existing pipeline tie-in location. I'm not sure what that is, but the client sent us a sketch showing that this is where their pipeline is. So it takes off from the digester tank, goes south, and then a slight curve to the west to an existing pond down here, what they call a waste pond. So this pond existed before the project was started. You can see here there's some features like a fence, a concrete pad, cow feed pile. We'll need to locate all of that that's inside the topo boundary here. This black line here, which I will turn cayenne, actually is the previous location of their easement, so that's what they thought they were going to use for an easement, but they changed it supposedly to over here, the purple lines. And that's about it. So also on their design plans, you can see the LOD, the land of disturbance. So this looks like land of disturbance for when they had their pipeline somewhere else. If I'm going to pull this out a little bit so that you can see the LOD over here. Yeah, okay, so the LOD follows the property line right there. So this is what they thought they would be disturbing. Outside of that, they should not have disturbed any of that, and likely the ground is untouched, and our old topo shots will suffice, but still take shots in there, of course. Okay, anything else here? That's about it. Just the monds are pretty straightforward. We got the old pipeline easement, ignore that. And then we've got the actual approximate pipeline location, which should be staked out with green stakes per the client. And I think that's it. This one's really straightforward. I'm going to send you again the plot and the PDF with the design on it. I'll send you the actual design files. And this plot here is actually from our Alta. So it has everything related to boundary on it. Very good. Good luck out there, gentlemen. Thank you very much.